Okay, listen, I know I'm late, but कोई बात नहीं, ठीक है. Bear with me. Sorry I'm late, but I need his time off a bit, right? Not that I deserve it. Today we're playing The House by Spring Rabbit. This is an indie game and मैंने कुछ नहीं सुना इसके बारे में, मैं कुछ नहीं जानता. I just downloaded this game and let's get right into it. Yep.
पत्ता.
Okay, let's see what this game has got for us. ये भी okay, like पुराना विंडोज का लोडिंग स्क्रीन बूटिंग गेम. अगेन दिस इज अ इंडी गेम, सो अपन कुछ जज नहीं करेंगे. वी विल जस्ट प्योरली टेल कि अच्छा है कि खराब बेस्ड ऑन इट्स गेम प्ले. द ट्रैजिक इवेंट्स ऑफ दैट डे स्टिल intrigued not only the FBI but the whole country, and it has become one of the most bizarre cases that has ever been solved. There are reports of people who say that they had the deafening streams by going to this place. Okay, Colorado, 1979. This is based on some kind of case, I'm guessing. ठीक है, बढ़िया यार. केस वेस के बारे में बेस्ड है, मतलब बढ़िया तो क्या ही है, मतलब वही है. देखते हैं, मेरे को पता नहीं क्योंकि कुछ. So it's good that I don't know anything, right? Amanda, why does your family have a house here in the middle of nowhere, Scott? I think it belonged to my great-grandfather. The oldish man bought this house at auction a long time ago. My family never managed to sell it and it was abandoned for some years, so now it is mine. Okay. Brian, of course they didn't. This house is falling apart. How old is it? Relax, bro. The furniture is almost new. I can't believe I left my aerobics class for this. Guys, nobody in the family wants this house. We can do whatever we want here. Nobody will care if we break something, have a party, or even demolish this crap. Okay, you've already convinced me. Ashley and I will go in and have a look around the house. Okay. I'm excited for today. I've always had a crush on Scott. He just recently broke up with my friend Sarah. So I don't want to be a douchebag. Like you are a douchebag. Fact कि तो आज के लिए excited है just after कि तेरा दोस्त के साथ breakup करा Scott. Dude, you are a douchebag. ठीक है? Stay away. यू भाई, ऐसी चीज़ें को मैं अपने चैनल प्रमोट नहीं करता. डूड, नो. आई ओनली केम ऑन दिस ट्रिप बिकॉज एशली डिडंट वांट बी द ओनली गर्ल हेयर. ओह ओके, मेक्स सेंस आई गेस. स्कॉट है, ये है, एंड एशली है. वी गॉट इट. आई बेटर हरी अप एंड गेट माय बैकपैक आउट ऑफ द वैन. Oh, this is a third person. Nobody told me this is going to be a third person game. I mean, जो भी है बढ़िया यार. Third person is something rare. You don't see that like often, you know. Third person काफी glitch होते हैं. Okay, now this game is already getting good impressions just because ये third person में है. Okay, van के अंदर जाना है, I guess. I cannot open it. Maybe Scott can help me. Scott, bye. Wait a minute. Before we go to Scott, we're gonna do some exploring around here. Check out maybe the controls. Okay. Filter V. Oh, okay. E to interact, shift to left click to click. Dialogue, next dialogue. I to inventory, F to flashlight. Okay, F to flashlight. I don't have it right now. Inventory. I don't have anything in my inventory either. Okay, let's just see around here. Oh. Okay. The house. Okay, damn, nice intro you all got here. I love how this intro comes when you like, you know, go to a specific distance from the van. Actually feels, oh okay, यार ये देखना ये, like it feels like कि पत्ते. Damn, okay, ना, that is good. Like I was not expecting this much from an indie game like this, you know. Scott, I'll check the tires before I park the van near the house. You can go ahead. Here is your backpack. You can put it in the bedroom on the second floor. Oh, okay, thanks. Oh, अपना नाम Amanda है. And I think with the main character here. I don't wanna be a douchebag. यार देख अमेंडा, I'm controlling you सब. तो मैं स्कॉट के ऊपर ना लाइन मारने में तेरी मदद नहीं करने वाला, ठीक है अमेंडा? सुन ले ये बात, तो बिल्कुल चुपचाप एकदम दिमाग के अंदर भेजा के अंदर डाल ले. मैं नहीं हूँ अपने दोस्त से अनफेथफुल, ठीक है? मैं बहुत लॉयल हूँ अपने दोस्त से. आई टेक माई रिलेशनशिप्स वेरी सीरियसली. आई टेक माई रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटीज वेरी सीरियसली. एंड एज अ फ्रेंड मेरी रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी है स्कॉट को. ओके, बाप वायर लगा हुआ है. मेरी रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी है कि मैं लाइन ना मारूँ जस्ट आफ्टर मेरी फ्रेंड का ब्रेकअप हुआ है. उस लड़के से, लेकिन उसके साथ तो ट्रिप में आई भी क्यों है डूड, मेरे को समझ नहीं आता इनका यार, इतने खराब होता है यार ये क्या। अमांडा यार, बी बेटर प्लीज। Any goddamn ways before going into the house I wanna look around a bit. Oh okay, यहाँ पे एरिया है जहाँ अपन जा सकते हैं apparently. Okay, this is now very wrecking ball. A wrecking ball. I think someone was using this place as a disposal area while the house was abandoned. Okay, weird. That is a bit concerning, but I will have to do with it. एक कुआं दिख रहा है मेरे को यहाँ पे. हेलो मिस्टर कुआं. There must be some bucket around the house. Oh, for the well. Well, sorry, not a wall. Okay, इधर कुछ भी नहीं है and आगे अपन जा नहीं सकते हैं. Yep. So अभी तक जितना अपन ने एक्सप्लोर करा है, it's safe to say कि ये घर में कुछ तो गलत होने वाला है. That is like obvious thing. Description में लिखा था we have to explore the house and shit, so I don't know. Intro में लिखा था this is the most terrifying cases that was yet solved and all, so I'm guessing कुछ तो gruesome सा होने वाला है, तो दिल का आड़ा रखो अपना दोस्तों, ठीक है. So okay, ये सेफ हाउस टाइप कुछ है यहाँ पे. हेलो. Oh, bucket ये तरह. I don't need a bucket. Neither do I. ये bucket उसके लिए होगा, कुएं के लिए होगा वो वाला. And यहाँ पे ये Scrap. It seems to be a piece of excavator. अबे डंपर होता है, excavator क्या होता है? डंपर. वो दूसरा वाला वही है. आसपास डिस्पोजल एरिया ऐसे ये बोलिए तो डैम यार, वो गाड़ी वाड़ी डिस्पोजल करने के लिए या फिर ट्रैश डिस्पोजल करने के लिए. I mean I don't really know, but anyways I cannot go around the house. बड़ा Minecraft का हाउस नहीं है. क्यूब सा. Anyways, let's just get into the house. Oh well, hello there. Not a bad house. Like जितना लोग खराब बोल रहे थे, you know. Brian, this place doesn't look so bad. Ashley must be in the bedroom upstairs putting her things away. Oh, Ashley है अपने साथ, so after all, okay. I should put my things away first. Okay. मेरे को second floor में अपना room मिलेगा उसने बोला था, right? But before that, let's look around a bit. Newspaper. March 6, 1944. Missing Noah Campbell. 2 days ago, the 17-year-old boy Noah Campbell was hunting with his father when he disappeared in the woods. Today, the police found the boy's blood in a piece of his pants in an area to inhabit mountain lions. The boy's body was not found at the scene, indicating that the boy managed to escape the attack. Okay, so they are probably searching for the boy. While we talk, it's empty. I mean, what do you expect? What else do you expect, Ashley? Ashley नहीं, मेरा अपना नाम अमांडा अपना नाम. Ashley तो अपनी दोस्त है. And अपन douchebag अमांडा. It is very dark in there. So डरती है क्या अंधेरे से? मैं नहीं डरता. In fact मेरे पूरे कमरे में अंधेरा है right now. Okay, I can go. Like this is the basement, I'm guessing. I should put away my things first. It's locked. Okay, it's locked. Oh, ये बैक डोर का रास्ता है. Dude, I have to like go through like one door to go to the back door. Dude, this house must be huge. I mean बाहर से बड़ा तो लग ही रहा था, so I guess होगा भी ये बड़ा. इतने सारे कमरे हैं यहाँ पे. सेकंड फ्लोर. ये देखना और इधर भी है. अरे वाह भाई, क्या है, बड़ा हाउस. It's locked. It's locked and this one must be it. Yep. Oh, ये तो Ashley है. Hello Ashley. Hey, put your stuff on the other bed. I'm going downstairs to drink some water. Now I can meet everyone else downstairs, जो भी है. सबसे मिलने से पहले घर एक्सप्लोर करना जरूरी है. क्या पता अपने पीछे किलर लग जाए. What then? मेरे को घर का लेआउट ही नहीं पता. Okay. Honorable discharge. This is to clarify that Henry F. Smith, Medical Research Department, Army of United States, is hereby honorably discharged from the military service of the United States of America. This certificate is awarded to a testimonial of honest and faithful service to his country. Date September 13th, 1943. पिछले साल का मतलब पिछले साल का है, as in नीचे का न्यूज़पेपर में 1944 था, तो आई एम प्रीटी श्योर वो न्यूज़पेपर पुराना तो नहीं होगा। तो राइट नाउ वी आर प्लेइंग, इट इज़ 1944, आई एम प्रीटी श्योर। एंड ये 1943 का है, सो ये 1 साल पहले का। ओके, की कलेक्टेड की, आई डोंट नो किसका की है वो, बट एनीवेज भाई आई थिंक गाड़ी की होगी आई गेस, या बहुत सारे कमरे लॉक थे उसकी की भी हो सकती है। ओह ओके, यहाँ की यूज़ होगी। बॉक्सेस, आई मीन पुराना घर है डूड, तुम बॉक्सेस के अलावा क्या एक्सपेक्ट कर सकते हो यहाँ पे। ओह फ्लैश लाइट, मे बी दिस विल बी यूजफुल। नाइस, नाउ आई कैन, यस दिस इज यूजफुल। जस्ट एन ओल्ड रेडियो। ओके, आई लव द फैक्ट कि ये एक थर्ड पर्सन गेम है लाइक, लेकिन बहुत ईरी फीलिंग आ रहा है इसकी वजह से। इट्स लॉक्ड। ओके व्हाट इज हियर, ये तो अपना ही रूम है। कहाँ रहा हूँ मैं, इधर जाते हैं। ओ अच्छा, मैं F दबा रहा था ई की जगह। इट्स लॉक्ड। आदत है यार F दबाने की। ओके, बिफोर मीटिंग विद एवरीवन एल्स आई शुड गो अराउंड न्यूज़पेपर। ओके, March 6, so let's just assume 2 days ago मतलब March 6, 4 मार्च को ये हुआ था, द बॉय वेंट मिसिंग, एंड टुडे इज March 6, 1644। Okay, and here we go to the dark ass place जहाँ पर कुछ मिलने वाला अपन को scary सा, maybe, probably, I don't know, could be. Okay, I like the sound of the note. ये क्या है? Collected bad. Oh, thank you. Rebuilding brain tissue seemed crazy at first. I have worked with this all my life and now they discard me like an animal. I served so much time, so many secrets, so many deaths. They forced me to sign a confidentiality document, so all my work, my life story stayed in the army. Okay. ये आर्मी ऑफिसर नहीं था, ये कोई साइंटिस्ट था विच वर्क फॉर द आर्मी, जो कि रिटायर हुआ, जिसके बारे में अपन ऊपर नोट में पढ़े हैं। आई एम गेसिंग ये वही होगा। इट्स लॉक्ड। ओके, नथिंग टू सी हियर येट, सो लेट्स जस्ट गेट बैक। और भी 2-3 डोर। हेलो, आई लिटिल डिज इट मस्ट बी डिहाइड, आई मस्ट बी डिहाइड्रेटेड। अरे भाई तू क्या यार, रुक जा, तेरे को पानी तो मैं पिला दूँ ठीक है, लेकिन पहले मैं करूँगा घर को एक्सप्लोर। तो तू छटपटा ले, इतना छटपटाना है। ओके, वन मोर। इतने सारे डोर डूड, हाउ बिग इज दिस? ओह नेवर माइंड। ओके, दिस लीड्स बैक हियर, सो राइट वाला डोर क्या करता? कुछ नहीं करता। पीछे से पीछे जाते हैं अपन, एंड विद दैट आई थिंक दैट इज द होल हाउस। अब एक्चुअली अपन कुछ कर सकते हैं। हेलो अमांडा, कैन आई गेट वाटर? अमांडा नहीं, एशली। अमांडा तो अपन है। दिस डैम टैप डजंट वर्क, कैन यू गो आउटसाइड एंड आस्क स्कॉट टू फिक्स दिस क्रैप? थैंक फॉर श्योर यार, फॉर श्योर। चलो, ओह वेल हेलो, गाड़ी आगे ले आया तुम, बढ़िया बढ़िया। पहले मैं ब्राइन से बात करूंगा। अरे चिटले, ओके बात नहीं कर सकता। There seems to be some problem with the plumbing in the house. The taps don't work. Brian told me we are going to the next town to buy some drinks and something to eat. I will call a plumber as soon as I get there. We have to shake this place up. Did you bring a radio? This is a very old house. There must be a radio somewhere. Can you and Ashley look for it while we do the shopping? Sure. I know where the radio is. बड़ा अजीब आवाज था यार गाड़ी जाने का, बट हो गया। नाउ वी हैव टू लुक फॉर द रेडियो आई अज्यूम। चलो फिर, मेरे को तो पता रेडियो कहाँ पे, मेरे को ढूंढने की जरूरत ही नहीं है। तो बात कर लेते हैं। विद द हेल इज एशली? अरे तो घर में घुसी नहीं, देखो एशली नहीं दिख रही तो तू छटपटा रही है। डूड खामा होगी, पड़ी होगी इधर उधर कहीं। क्या यार एशली, क्या है रे एशली? अरे एशली यहाँ पर तो नहीं, सोफी के पीछे छुपी पड़ी हुई, क्या बता? ये तो डोर लॉक्ड है, यहाँ पर तो नहीं। आई गेस एशली बैठे हुए अपन को जंप स्केयर करने के लिए, क्योंकि आई मीन डूड और क्या कर सकती है एशली? मैंने बहुत खेला, देखा एशली। क्या रे एशली, आई वुड हेल्प यू बट आई डोंट वांट टू गो वेयर आउट माय फिंगर नेल्स मिसिंग अराउंड इन दिस होल हाउस। You can put the radio on this table if you find it. अरे actually यार तू ना मतलब हद ही करता है. मैंने तो पहले एक्सप्लोर कर लिया घर को, अभी तो जरूरत ही नहीं है. जाओ रेडियो उठाओ डाल दो पीछे यार, क्या दिक्कत है. ये रहा रेडियो. Is the radio? Better take this downstairs. Let's go with the radio. अरे क्या सूटकेस जैसे उठा लिया. I mean this is how this radio is meant to be picked up, so I don't know why I'm surprised. रख दो यहाँ पे. Let's go. Oh fuck पढ़ा नहीं मैंने, बट कोई बात नहीं. It's not working. It seems that the batteries are missing. अरे मेरे पे है, मेरे पे सब कुछ है यार. chill मारो. It's working now. I'll ask Ashley if she bought a water bottle. Ashley, do you have a water bottle? Do you bring a water bottle? No, I wouldn't have thought that this dump wouldn't have water. I'm not feeling very well. I'm a little dizzy. If I know Brian and Scott very well, they won't bring anything. Non-alcoholic to drink. There is a well next to the house. Go there and drink water. If you get worse, we can go to the hospital. I'm sure it is nothing serious. I'm going there. अरे यार तू रैंडम एज वेल से पानी पीने जा रही है एक्चुअली. आर यू श्योर भाई? लाइक उसके अंदर पता नहीं कितने साल, हजार करोड़ पुराने पता नहीं क्या क्या होंगे यार. प्लस आई एम नॉट गेटिंग अ वेरी गुड फीलिंग अबाउट दिस फॉरेस्ट, यू नो. लाइक जस्ट द थिंग अबाउट दिस फॉरेस्ट टिक्स मी ऑफ. लाइक कुछ तो है, समथिंग अबाउट दिस फॉरेस्ट. Like something about this barbed wire around it. Like something about this road. It just doesn't seem right. Any god of ways, we just have to get some water and just hope कि कोई killer से अपनी मुलाकात ना हो. वही same killer जिसने उस बच्चे को मारा था. जो भी है well, वो बड़ा dramatically नीचे जा रहा है bucket. वो पानी है. नहीं वो पानी ही है. I'm gonna drink some black as water. Okay. Black as well से blue as water निकल रहा है. That is something crazy. It seems that the bucket came with a key. Okay. Collect the key. Collected key. अच्छा. पानी पी लिया मैंने. But now वो basement में एक दरवाजा था. That is was like included. बाकी सब like doors was not that. Oh पहले वो smoke निकल रहा था क्या चिमनी से? Is that a fire in the house? I'll have to check क्योंकि ब्रिटिश और पहले स्मोक नहीं था यार. और आई वुड हैव नोटिस. मैं यहाँ खड़ा था. हाँ यार पहले तो नहीं था स्मोक. ये मैं देख रहा था पहले भी यहाँ पे. व्हाट हैपेंड एक्चुअली? आग लगा दी तूने घर में. 2 सेकंड मतलब घर में नहीं रहो और घर में आग लगना स्टार्ट. ओए फाउंड दिस की इन द वेल. ट्राई टू लुक फॉर वेयर इट फिट्स. मे बी यू विल फाइंड समथिंग वैल्यूएबल इन दिस हाउस. हाँ चोरी करने बोल रही मेरे को इनडायरेक्टली ये. आई प्रेफर टू वेट फॉर द बॉयज टू अराइव बिफोर प्लेइंग एनीथिंग ऑन दिस रेडियो. अरे यार फुटस्टेप. Did I heard some footstep? अरे आन दो फुटस्टेप यार. क्या दिक्कत का आ रही है? लाइक आई हैव अ गट फीलिंग कि ये ना बेसमेंट में जाएगा. बेसमेंट में वो दरवाजा काफ़ी लाइक स्टिक आउट कर रहा था विद द रेस्ट ऑफ द हाउस कंपेरेटिवली टू द रेस्ट ऑफ द हाउस. ये दरवाजा सबसे ज़्यादा मिस्टीरियस लगा मेरे को. सो इट्स लॉक्ड. फक आई वाज रॉन्ग. मेरा गेमर इंस्टिंक्ट रॉन्ग था. बट कोई बात नहीं. बहुत सारे दरवाजे अपन को खोलने के लिए अभी तो वाला खोल लिया है. सो आई हैव टू गो ऊपर. इट इज़ अ गुड थिंग. अपन पे लिमिटेड स्टैमिना नहीं है एटलीस्ट एट द वेरी लीस्ट. इधर तो जा सकते हैं अपन. इधर तो नोट मिला था. इधर का रास्ता. ओके इंटरेस्टिंग. दिस प्लेस इज एम्प्टी. आई एक्सपेक्टेड समथिंग मोर इंटरेस्टिंग. मे बी इफ यू सर्च अराउंड यू विल फाइंड समथिंग. बंदे आ गए. Thank you. I hope you guys bring some water क्योंकि मेरे को dizzy as feel हो रहा है. We're back. Finally you are here. What took you so long? We had some unforeseen problems. I had to call the plumber who can only come tomorrow morning. We bought the drinks. Did you find the radio? Yes, it was one of the rooms on the second floor. Right. What are we waiting for? Let's party. Nacho. अरे क्या नाच गाना भाई. पियो पियो भेंडी का पानी का. स्कॉट दिस म्यूजिक इज सो कूल. ओके व्हाट आर यू वेटिंग फॉर? कम डांस विद अस. मे बी लेट. ओह अपन नहीं नाचने वाले हैं. गॉट इट. यू लाइक माय नाइट न्यू डांस मूव. वियर्ड एस पीपल. अपन भी कोई ऑब्जेक्टिव नहीं है तो आई अज्यूम कि अपन क्या 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 क्या. हेलो Did you guys heard that? Did you guys heard that? Did you guys heard that? Nobody heard that. Nobody heard that shit. Okay, now this is getting. किसी ने नहीं सुना. It was only me who heard that, and that probably came from the basement. क्योंकि basement is the most scary place in this house. कौन है रे? कौन है भाई? या कोई नहीं है यहाँ पे. God damn it, it's locked. Maybe it came from outside. क्योंकि ऊपर से तो नहीं आया. ऊपर से आता तो it would be more loud. So I think I should go check outside. I mean अपन practically एक horror game की main character है dude. Like बाहर जाने से अच्छा decision और क्या हो सकता है? Okay, बाहर कुछ दिख तो नहीं रहा मेरे को. गाड़ी है स्कॉट की. अबे हाँ गाड़ी को चुराने आया हो तो. ए कौन है रे? कौन गाड़ी में मुंह मारने आया अपनी? हाँ I guess कोई नहीं. I guess घर के अंदर ही आए थे यार. I should go check out upstairs. कौन है रे? किसको चुल मच्छी है? किसको पीटी करवानी है अपनी? बताओ बताओ. मैं हूँ जूडो कराटे मास्टर. मैं करूँगा तुम्हारी पीटी पिटी. मैं करूँगा सबकी पीटी पिटी. ठीक है. ओ this is. Why are we going in the? Why the fuck are we went in the hole? After a while, a huge emptiness and depression overwhelmed me. I was lost, but it seemed that God guided him for my purposes. For a while, I was confused. He knocked on my door. His leg was bleeding profusely. I thought of bandaging it, but I felt that this visit was not a mere coincidence. I started cutting his tendons. Poor boy. He was screaming without knowing the greatness of his existence. I was so euphoric that slowly his heart stopped. But this event cleared my mind. Now I knew what had to be done. God guided him to me. I would not interfere in his destiny. Okay. The test with the last corpse was almost success. It seemed that the body didn't last more than 30 seconds. Sheriff Campbell always hated me. He was sure that I was involved in the disappearing of the damn boy who was his nephew, which didn't help much. They went through my house and found some experiment with rats in the basement, which was enough to destroy all my work. All my progress now has an obsolete foundation of my house. It is just a matter of time for me to reach perfection. Okay, so let me get this together. ठीक है. Oh fuck, ये game pause नहीं होती when I. Oh, this is. Can't you turn off this goddamn TV? This is getting irritating now, you know. Okay, like we cannot turn off the TV. Let me get this straight. वो एक एक्सपेरिमेंट करता था समथिंग अबाउट ब्रेन सेल्स रिवाइविंग और सिक्योरिंग ब्रेन सेल्स एंड द बॉय वी रेड अबाउट इन द न्यूज़पेपर. आई गेस वो सही में माउंटेन लाइन से अटैक हुआ था एंड ही केम टू दिस हाउस एंड ये बंदा उसका फ़ायदा उठाया एंड उसको मार के उसके ऊपर एक्सपेरिमेंट करने लग गया. बट नन ऑफ दैट एक्सप्लेन दैट गॉड डैम होल. ओ होल ऊपर है मतलब अपन नीचे आए हैं क्या? ये कमरा. Oh, that doesn't make any sense, does it? Okay. Okay, what the fuck? Basement? That hole was for the basement? Then the hole should have been underground, not on the. जो भी है यार. The thing is कि I have to warn them. Okay, Scott. Fuck you. We'll build a fire outside. I'll wait for you there. Buddy, what the fuck? Okay. Not too scary. Good enough, decent jump scare. I didn't thought कि तेल दिया आएगा, but जो भी है यार. But वो होल कैसे आया? अभी not gonna talk about कि वो होल कैसे आया यार. हाँ? It's locked. Dude, that hole was not in before. अपने अलावा कोई तो है घर में. ये बंदे सुनेंगे थोड़ी मेरी. मत सुनो यार, मर जाओ दिमाग खराब. मैं तो मेन कैरेक्टर हूँ, मैं तो जिंदा बच जाऊंगा. तुम लोग सोच लो अपना, ठीक है? तुम लोग मरना डिजर्व करते हो, है ना? मैं बोल रहा हूँ अपने अलावा है घर में बंदा है. नहीं सुनना है. अरे स्कॉट, I found a strange room in the basement with some sinister notes. I don't know if I will have the courage to sleep in this house. No one has lived in this house for decades. If the first owner was a dangerous person, he must be in diapers or already kicked the bucket. I'm not sure about this. No imbecile is going to come walking to this house in the middle of the nowhere because of his bloodlust. This only happens in the movies. Maybe in Los Angeles. Try to relax a little bit. You must be right. Yeah, you never know, Ashley. Don't you think that you had too much drink? But I haven't ever finished my first beer yet. This is the 10th time you have said this, and you are always holding a different can. Whatever. Scott, my brother, your parents are so cool to give you a house. To be honest, my parents did not give me this house. They are cheapskates. They don't even know we came here. Cool. You're the man, Scott. Damn it, Scott. Are you serious? I didn't lie when I said that this house was abandoned. My parents do not care. Just relax. The only thing that we have to worry about is the eye collector mini. Huh? While brutally murdering his victim, he liked to gouge out the eyes while they were still alive to keep as souvenir. I heard that his favorite victim were women. Besides, this house was the place where he made his last killing. I have never heard about this. You're making it up. That was a long time ago. Of course you have never heard of it. You told it was not dangerous. I was just trying to calm you down. Shut up, Scott. I need to take my allergy medication. I'm going in. Me too. I'm tired of being around these assholes. Come on, I'm just kidding. बात करें इससे? कर ही नहीं सकते. आग के अंदर जा सकते हैं? नहीं आ सकते. चलो फिर तुम दोनों एंजॉय करो. मैं तो चलता हूँ, है ना. एशली और मैं चलते हैं घर के अंदर. तुम लोग अपना देखते रहो यार. वैसे वो की कहाँ की थी यार? I still don't know. Well, it doesn't matter either ways. Okay, who is waiting for us inside? I guess nobody, and that is good. I do not want anybody to fit wait inside. और ये क्या कर रही है यहाँ पे? क्या कर रही थी यहाँ पे? Wait, Ashley. Drinking on an empty stomach was not a good choice. I'll eat something. Ashley. Oh, okay, fridge. I'm not hungry. हैं? अच्छा. Ashley कुछ खा रही है. अपन को थोड़ी खाना कुछ. We have to go in our room and sleep. So it's best to guess कि अपने रूम में जाने तक कोई जंप स्केयर ना आए. So just hope के अंदर कोई ना हो. Thank you. बैकपैक से क्या निकाले? Oh, medication. No, we took our medication. No, that is good. वापस चलो. What the fuck is that shit, dude? Okay. Excuse me. मेरे को hallucinations हो रहे हैं भाई. Now that was not good, was it? Who screamed? Oh, holy shit! This medicine makes me a little sleepy. What is this? Where are we? What time is it? Where is Ashley? Okay, damn. Well, scream, I guess. Ashley की सुनाई दी थी अपन को. That was not pretty. It sounded like someone screaming in the basement. ओए कौन है रे? कौन है रे? अपन बचाएंगे. We will be the savior of everybody. कौन है? किसको चुलमा चाहिए? किसको अपनी पीटी करवानी? आ जाओ किसको अपनी पीटी करानी है. ओके, कोई नहीं है यहाँ पे. कौन है रे? Oh my god, what the fuck is happening here? I wish I knew. Her eyes are gogged out, by the way. Tell me this is a dream. Where are the other two assholes? Kal tum dono way. It's locked. I need to find other way out. It's locked. I need to find other way out. Back door. Maybe the back door. Fuck! Yeah! ये कहाँ से आया? What the fuck? Stay away from me! Scott? तू ही है वो? Scott! Are you the maniac eye collector? What? No! That doesn't even exist. I was just making fun of you. My great-grandfather died of a heart attack just before he moved into this house. I don't even know who the previous owner was. Ashley ran out of the basement. I thought you would be braver. Are you fucking kidding me? I just saw her body in the basement, Scott. Are you trying to scare me too? I'm serious. Shit. She might have tripped on the stairs. Her body was on the fucking ceiling. What? Are you trying to play a trick on me? I'm fucking serious. What's your problem? Okay, let's check it out. It's stuck. I cannot open it. Bye. That is not. Let's just say fuck that guy. It's locked. हाँ रहने दो, मेरे को क्यों जाना बेसमेंट? What the fuck do I need to care? Okay, I guess I have to care about that motherfucker. नहीं ना, बगो 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 बगो. What the fuck is that, Brian? What is this thing done to you? Complete. The hell are you? A fucking parasite? No. Thing. Okay, it's a thing. It have a heart, it have a more. I need to go to this place now. Are you okay, Brian? Oh, thing? Fuck you mean thing? बहुत सारे eyes है यहाँ पे. I'm pretty sure this is over exaggerated, but हुआ क्या था यार actually में? Now I'm interested in this case. What the fuck? Anyways, we just have to get the fuck. Hello? No, that can't be good, can it? Window. Bago, 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 bago. Good. Oh damn, we're all bloody and shit. Of course, yaar, utne upar se gire hai, it cannot be fine, you know. Oh, okay. Do I have the car keys? 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 Fucking course. I have to run on foot. Please don't chase me. कौन है पीछे? Don't turn around. Okay, don't. Holy fucking. Hey? Yeah. Excuse me, buddy. House. Now that can't be good, right? That cannot be good, right? कहाँ तक चेज करेगा तुम को? अरे गाड़ी, अरे आजा 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 आजा. कौन है तू प्लम्बिंग सर्विसेज. अरे लेट्स गो. भागा. भेंडी, मैं तो बोला था तुम लोग रहो, तुम लोग मरो सालो. मैं तो मीन कैरेक्टर हूँ. I thought it was based on a real case. I guess that was all just made up. Damn. The House, produced by King Santos. Okay, was this game good? Yes. Did it terrify me? No. It was fun actually for one time play, and for an indie game it did very well in the third person wala thing. Graphics was like decent, like analog horror के हिसाब से लोग चले, इसीलिए बहुत ज़्यादा unexpected था ये, क्योंकि I don't know, it was just good. I expected something more less, लेकिन ये काफ़ी इंटरैक्टिव था and it did not bore me. Spring Rabbit did a good job here. Okay, so if you guys wanna check out this game, link is in the description. You can go and play it yourself. Okay, the game is not ending. On Friday morning, Mark Williams, a 37-year-old plumber, was on a call to fix the plumbing in a house far from town. His service van was found several miles away from the scene, and according to the investigation, it had probably collided with a truck. Mark Williams was never found. Okay, weird. It has been more than 20 years since the disappearance of Scott Thompson, Ashley Rivera, Brian Johnson, and Amanda Martinez. According to the information provided by a shopkeeper and other witnesses in the nearby town, the youngsters were spending the weekend at a nearby house. And guess what? वो घर था ही नहीं वहाँ पे. In a statement, the parents of the young Scott Thompson were missing reported that they owned a house near the site, but it had been demolished years ago. The documents in the police investigation at the site confirm this. घर में कुछ घपला नहीं है, पूरा घर ही घपला है भाई. Nothing is safe. During the investigation, the police found a homemade mask and a bloody knife near the rubble in the whole house. The blood on the knife was Scott Thompson's. Everything pointed to a serial killer, but even after years of searching, the suspect was never found. That is terrifying, like that genuinely is terrifying. Even after years of investigation, the only concrete evidence that the police could find was at some point there was the house. Oh, तो ये like just demonstration है कि वहाँ पर रातों रात एक घर कैसे गायब हो सकता है. एक illustration, I guess. No signal. Damn. Good game, like actually a good game. I thought it ended, but it gave us a proper outro. Now this is good. I was going to give this game a proper 6, but this alone deserves 7.5. Up, I give this game 7.5 out of 10. ठीक है? And yes, from today onwards, I'm going to start rating. Okay. It went black. Oh, anyways, thanks for watching. Game अपने आप बंद होगी खत्म होने के बाद. I've never watched any game do that. Okay, any goddamn ways. मैं थक गया भाई. मेरे को वीडियो एडिट भी करनी है, so bye.